Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Torx Bit Socket Set that has 13 pieces in it and 3 reasons why you need to get this item. Reason number 1, this includes all the essential sizes that you'll run into on a day-to-day basis for bikes, automobiles, appliances, lawn equipment, golf cart. So this is something that should reasonably take care of just about everything you'll run into unless you get into those specialized situations. Reason number 2, the zinc phosphate finish reduces any wear outs of the bit just getting worn down and helps ensure longevity as much as you can reasonably expect to do so. Reason number 3, as you can see, it's got a nice strong carry case which will help keep things organized and help you from losing any of the sockets that are in the set.